Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi problem in Galaxy F70 Pro. Just watch the video till end and follow the steps one by one. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.